Our vocabulary, we're going to place the check over the correct coordinate of letter S. All right, so where's letter S? Here it is, up here. And we're going to figure out, okay, well, what coordinate is it? Remember, we're always going to go on the x-axis first, so that means side to side. So down that hall, and then the y-axis, up or down the elevator. All right, so we are going to go, our x-coordinate is going to be -4, and our y-coordinate is going to be 6. So our x-coordinate, -4, our y-coordinate, +6. Or you can think of it as, okay, we'll go -1, -2, -3, -4, up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So -4, +6. So which one is -4, +6? Here it is, right down here. So we're just going to drag that X right next to it, or that check right next to it. And that's it for our vocab. Great job.